Hello everyone, how are you guys? This is Agnimitra. I hope am I audible and visible to everybody. Can you please confirm? So please, uh, so guys, welcome you all to this class. This is basically a class for calculations of basic maths. Okay, so please you can say hi and everything if you wanna, if you are like listening me. So please say everyone if you are getting me right. So you can just write in the comment section. So guys, basically, I have planned some of the sessions on calculation skills. Why I have planned that? Okay, let me just see. You're audible. Thank you, Pooja. How are you? So why I have planned this session, because two things are important for the banking examination. First is, if you don't have a good calculation skills, you are going to lag in the main portion to calculate things. So that's why I'm just taking this sessions, so that it is practically, this thing is practically would be helping you. My point is that if you learn anything from me, that should be applied on it. Means you should apply that thing on basically in a problem solving approach. So today we'll discuss like addition tricks using the Vedic maths. Now this is very important. I'm not going to differentiate anything about it, because Vedic maths is like very ancient kind of a method. Might be I would be saying that some of you know this, that sir, I know how to apply Vedic maths, but the point is that if you're not practically using this method, then it's waste of time, correct? So the point is that you should use this method very practically, and in every problem solving approach, if you get like addition, then try using this approach. Same goes for subtraction as well. So that is the point I am saying you, ki if I give you like 20 sums to solve through the Vedic maths, then try solving that 20 sums, and then I would say that try some more problems and apply this in the practical life. Okay, so let me just show you the concept of it. So basically guys, generally what we do, see, if I take a number, suppose this is the number 532. If I take a number guys like 532 and 657, what we do, we normally add this number from this end, correct? Now we add this number from this end, which is 789, which is 8, and which is 11, correct? This is the normal method which we used to do. We add from this side, from here, or you can say from right to left, from right to left. You can write down from right to left. Now does this method right to left, does this method help you or makes you a slow learner? The point is that if you are having a good calculation skills, this things is making you a lag. Lag means what? This things is making you a little bit slow. Suppose if you are like good at it, and you can say that I can see the number and then I can add. There is some kind of process which I will guide you today, which you will follow one by one. Then you will see that there's a changes in this method and the method which is basically I have taken from Vedic maths, correct? The method which I have taken from Vedic maths. I hope this is clear to everyone. One by one. Hello. Hi, Rahul, how are you? One by one, I will be guiding you how to use Vedic maths. Basically, what are the key points that you should keep in mind? So suppose guys, if there would be any number, suppose, let me erase this. Suppose there would be, first I showed you the way you do the calculations, correct? Now you follow the calculation from right to left, but Vedic math says don't follow the calculation from right to left. I'll say you why is it so. You will learn something, right? Now let me just give you the theory part of it, that why this is like very useful. See, I used to follow this method only because these things help me a lot while clearing many of the examination, and I think this will help you as well. So first of all guys, you should understand the places value. First, you know there is a unit place, correct? I think everybody of us knows unit place. Then we have tens place, correct? Then we have hundreds place, correct? Then we have 100 place, and then we have 1000 place, correct? Now you will see that this is unit place contains like any number. Tens place contains, like if it is 20, this is 2 into 10, correct? Now 2 into 10. This is nothing but 2 into 100. This is nothing but, let's say, 2 into 1000, correct? And this is nothing but 2 into 1. So the point is that the place value is deciding by the hundreds place also. So this is 10 ki power 3, this is 10 ka power 2, this is 10 ka power 1, and this is 1 ka power 1, correct? So you should slowly learn this point. This is called a place value. This is called a place value. Now I will be using it. I will using this structure while solving any of the addition, which like I will be solving right now also, and you will see one by one that what I do. Okay. Now this is called base system. This is called base system. The base system is what basically when I use a number from 1 to 10. This is basically a base system, correct? When I use a number from 1 to 10, which is called a base system, correct? Now I will use a concept of this. For example, as I said, in 1000 place we have 10 to the power cube. In 100 place we have 10 ka square. In 10's place we have 10 ka power 1, and in 1's place we have only 1, which is like everybody understood. This is a unit place. Now the point here comes, just try and learn the trick. This will help you a lot. This is a kind of a trick which will help you a lot. I will be using this part, and the base system, the number is from basically 1 to 9. I'm writing this 10, but this number is from 1 to 9. Okay. I would like everyone to share this, okay, to your friends so that they can learn. If you have any kind of problem in understanding this process, do comment, then I will be guiding you. Okay. So let's come to the part which we are discussing. Just give me a moment. Let me erase it. Okay. So let's suppose there was a number. If I said there was a number which is 532. Try to understand this number 532, or let me just take into another slide. Just wait, I will take some other slide which let's learn from this method. Okay, learn from this slide. Suppose I take a number like 532. This was only in a question. 532 plus, there's a sign of plus, and then we are writing 657. What is the method? First of all, always add. The Vedic math says that add from left to right. Add from left to right. From left to right. First thing, correct? And this is the first thing. Go from this position. I would say from here to here. First thing. Second, Vedic math says what? If you get a number 10, switch to the other place. If you get some, if you get some 10, switch to the left hand side digit. Take one carry to the left hand side. Take one carry to left hand side of a number. Means from if you are getting like 10 here, take one, add one towards this side to carry. If you get a sum 10, take one carry to left hand side. These are the only two rules which you need to follow. As I am saying, these are the only two rules which you need to follow. What are the rules? Add from left to right. First, you should follow add from left to right. Second, if you get sum that is 10, then take one carry to the left hand side. What I am saying, now let's apply this. So if I take a number, like suppose if I take a number, let me change the marker. If I take a number, suppose 532, and if I add 657, what I said, add from this end side, from left to right. 6 plus 5, 11, correct? Because this is becoming 10, so none of the digits is towards the left hand side, so I'll stay with the 11, okay? And try to mug up 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 7 plus 2 is 9. I hope the answer is same which we have done, 1189. Although this was an easy one, so I have taken this just to make you understand that what we are doing it. I'll take some other problems also which are not in common in nature. Is it right, everyone? I hope all of you are getting my point. I'll take like any number which we can sum up. Is this clear what we are doing? First of all, we are adding from left to right. Now this second rule is not applied here because the sum are very easy. The second rule is not applying here because some are very easy. As I am saying you, let me just make you understand with a harder sum. Okay, then we'll come to this side. Okay, so let me just erase it and let take some other problem so that it will be making you clear. Okay, so suppose if you can also comment that, sir, take this number. Suppose I take a number 572 457 572 and I take 457. Can we take one more number, 572 457, and let's take a number 612. My point is to add this number. Okay, I'll erase these rules. I hope you are getting the rules. Okay, so I'll erase this. So I'll erase this rule. I will request all of you to share the session. Okay, what we are doing here is very, very important. Again, I'm saying, everyone, my methods are practically applied in a problem solving approach. These are not the tricks which is applied to a particular problem. These tricks are those tricks which you can apply in any of the problems, right? In any of the problem. The thing is that if you have that ability, of applying this kind of a problem, like this kind of a technique in problem solving, then that's a good part. If you don't have, believe me, have a chit chat with me. Let's talk. What is the problem? Then I can make you understand in a very good way, right? So let's have come this. As I said, go from left to right. Now see, 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5, 15, correct? So write down 15 here. No worries, write down 15 here. Just wait and write down 15 here. Now 7 plus 8 and plus 5, 13. Now see, if you write 13, 13 comes what? 13 comes like 10 plus 3, correct? Now add this number to previous one. As I second rule said, now add this number to the previous. So if you add this one to this one, this becomes again 15 becomes 16, correct? So 15 becomes 16. I hope you are getting my point. 15 becomes 16. Now the question comes. This 3 would be here because here is a 16. Then 3 is carried now. Then 3 would be here. So write down 3 here. Just write down here. Okay. Just write down 3 here. So you have written 3 here. Just wait, guys. This is not the number which I am using it. This is the number which I am using right now. This is the number 16. The number which I am using right now is 16 as I have colored with a green. Correct. Now this is what? 7 plus 2 and plus 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. Again what will happen? Again 11 comes. So for 11, okay, let me change the marker. For 11, you are again getting what? 10 plus 1. If you're getting like 10, switch to other number from left hand side. If you switch to the other number, this 3 was there now. This 3 plus 1 becomes 4, correct? Then write down, erase this 3 from here, write down 4, correct? You have written here 4. And this was like, now the number is 164 and this 1 also. So if you add this number, you will get 1641, correct? If you add this number, you will get 1641. I hope you understood the rule. So if you'll add this number, you will get 1641. This is the method which I am using in a, basically this is called a Vedic maths. This is basically called a Vedic maths. Now I will take a lot of problem and I will be solving right now. Again, I will be giving you a 20 questions also. 20 questions just to solve this. I will be giving you 20 questions just to solve this. Let's not take these problems, because let's take some other problem, the bigger one, so that you can have a this we have done, like 562. Come on, see. The number is 562. So I'll write down the number. You can take 3 digit, you can take 4 digit, you can take 5 digit, you can take 2 digit. I am not taking 2 digit because 2 digit is already very easy to solve. Correct now? So let's come. Now see, if I take a number like this one, 562. Now the number is 562, correct? And then the number is 431. And the number is 542. As I said, rule say what? Rule number 1 say add from left to right. What does say? Add from left to right. So I'll go from left to right. First thing. So I'll go and add from left to right. And this is what? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14. So I'll write down 14. Might be this 14 be changed if 10 comes here. Now 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Now again 13 comes. This we have done right now, I think. We have done this now. No, this we have done. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, 13. So again 13 came. So for 13, this is the sum, we got 13. 13 is what? 10 plus 3. This 10 will switch to other part. This 10 will switch here. If this 10 will switch here, this 14 becomes 15, correct? This 14 becomes 15 now, correct? Now 3 will be adding up here. So you can write down 3 here because 3 is left. You can write down 3 here. Now 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So my answer is what? 1535. The answer is 1535. This is a second process, but don't go for a traditional way. Don't go in a traditional way, the way you are doing. Don't go in traditional way, the way you are doing. If suppose you are getting my voice, please comment. Everyone, don't do the addition that the way you are doing in the schools, because that will not ultimately help you to qualify the examination or to pass the examination, correct? Lokesh, you are getting this? Lokesh, can you please confirm? I hope you are getting this. This we have done and this we have done right now. Let's take some more examples so that it would be clear to you. Okay. Let me take some more examples. So see, these are the bigger numbers now. That is 214, 324, 517, 513. These are basically a bigger number, right? What we need to do, the rule says what? Let me just make this enlarge so that you would have an idea. So if I make this like, this is my number, correct? I hope this is now visible to you. Suppose I take this number, no? Okay. Now, see everyone, please have a look what I'm doing. First rule says what? Everyone, please listen that what I'm doing. First rule is, the rule number one says what? Add from left to right. Add from left to right. Again saying from left to right. Correct? This is the rule. Let me apply. If you get sum 10, switch 1 to the left hand side. Just switch 1 to the left hand side. Now I'm not explaining that why we are doing it, because this is none of our business. We need to clear the examination, so we need to learn those methods which are applied to solve any problem, correct? Now please listen what I'm saying, guys. If you have any problem now regarding these things, because I will be guiding you addition, subtraction, multiplication, square root, cube roots, this will help you a lot. Mind my word, if you follow my playlist very carefully, you will learn a lot, correct? So let's come to the point. This is 5 plus 5, again 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So write down 15 here. No worries, okay? Now this I can do very fastly because I need to make you learn. So that's why I'm writing like slowly, right? Now 15 comes 2 and 2, 4 and 1, 5. No worries. Now 7 plus 3 is what? 10. 10 plus 8 is what? 18. Now again here comes 18. 18 is basically what? 18 is 10 plus 8. Now if 10 comes, switch 1 to other part. So if you take like 1 to this part, this 5 becomes 6 and this here place comes 8. Now this becomes like 1, 5, 6, 8. You can see the answer. The answer is basically 1, 5, 6, 8. I hope everyone is getting this logic. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now I'm not adding in a way in which we were doing in the school times, correct? In the school times, what we are doing basically, we were adding the number from right to left, but I'm saying you go from left to right. I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example and have a clear concept structure. Okay, so let me show you one more so that you would say that, okay, so this is very nice. So this is the question, right? I hope this is visible. So let me erase this. I hope this get erased. So let me just erase this. So this is my question. Can you, Lokesh, can you add this? Lokesh, can you add this number? Clear, okay, very good, Rahul. Can you add this number? Come on, the way which I taught you. The way in which I taught you. This is the number, the way in which I taught you. These are the very basic things, guys. If you don't, I would say if you don't understand these things, would not help you a lot. I will be giving you that 10 homework also. It's 312, 432, 537 and 424. Try it fast. And suppose I am saying you can solve any of the problems, right? I'm saying that you can solve any of the problem, whether it should be like 3 digit or 4 digit or 6 digit or 7 digit or 8 digit. You can solve any problem. So let me, now I hope you are solving by your own. If not, let me come to the Question now. Now see, I'll write down the question in separate way so that it would be clearly visible to you. Now the question is 3, 1, 2, and the question is 4, 3, 2, and the question is 5, 3, 7, and the last one is 4, 2, 4. I think this is a bigger problem, na? We have like 4 numbers, 4 3-digit number, and we are going to add this number, right? First of all, add from left to right, from left to right. So 5 and 4, 5 and 4 9, 9 and 4 13, 13 plus 3 is 16. This should be like very easy. This should be 16 coming, it's fine. Okay, it is coming 16. Okay, write down 16. But might be 16 would be changed. Might be, there's a chances. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Correct. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 9. Correct. So right now I am not getting any carry wala part. Isn't I am getting any carry wala part? No. Isn't I am getting any carry wala part? I hope so I am not getting. This becomes 9. Okay, fine. Now 7 and 4, 11. 11 and 4 is what? Come on. 11 and 4 is 15. Correct. Again the problems comes when it becomes 15. If the moment this becomes 15, get shift 1 over this side. Get shift 1 towards the left hand side. If you get shift 1 towards the left hand side, plus 1 here, this becomes 10. Now of 10 this would be 0 na. This now 9 becomes 0 and this 1 will go here and 16 becomes 17. Correct. So my answer would be what? 1705. Is it right? My answer would be 1705. I hope you are getting this. This is just a easy process which Vedic math says. This is just a easy process which Vedic math says. Correct? This is how we apply a Vedic maths. This is how we apply a Vedic maths. Correct? Now you can take any of the number and you can solve. Let me take one more example so that it might be clear to you. See, these are numbers are very easy, so I would not solve these number. Let me solve this. Always add from left to right. So this becomes 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8, and 9 plus 2 11. Mistaken? 11 is what? 10 plus 1. So again you will shift 1 here. So this becomes 391. 391. You can check yourself. This becomes 391. Is it right? See, every method I am guiding you that I am breaking that number. I am breaking this number and then I am making you solve. Correct? Now please confirm. I hope this is clear. Now let's solve some of the other problem. Let me solve one more problem so it might get clear to you. Let me solve one more problem. I hope you understood this. So see, we don't look this methods because we don't know ability. We don't know importance of Vedic maths. So that's why I thought to make you understand. Again, 9 plus 1 10, 6 16 plus 4 20 and plus 5. This is 25. This much command you all should have. This much command you all should have. Correct now? This is like 25. Come on, say yes or no, everyone. I hope so. 25. Okay, fine. This is 5. This is 5 10. This is 12. Again, this is 12. So you need to break this number. What times? 10 plus 2. So here the number would be 2. To cut this and shift 1 here, this becomes 26. So right now your number is 262. Correct? Now 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 5. So your number is basically 2625. Done. Done. This is the way in which, see, basically what I am doing now. Basically we are solving a problem through Vedic maths. Now you can join my Telegram. As I said earlier, you can have a look to my Telegram because I will be giving you the 40 questions, and the way of solving these questions through Vedic maths is very, very important. Guys, if you apply this method, again, these methods are applied in practical problem solving. So if you use it like practically to solve a problem, this will help you a lot. So there are a lot of questions, guys. We will be discussing one by one. Today I have made you understand how to add two numbers in a very unique way. So this is the method which I have guided you. This is basically addition tricks using Vedic maths, I think, which will help you a lot. Again, do practice such things. Always do practice, because the more you practice, the better you get in. So get into it. So I would request all of you to, I'll give you the 50 question sheet in the Telegram, and please join, please solve that. Please comment that this trick is helping you or not, because this is amazing, amazing. Always add from left to right, and if it comes tense, switch to left hand side. Till then, bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra. I hope you really liked the class. Please comment that this class was helpful to you or not. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Signing off. Bye everyone.